20 times than the strength in the class. Okay, strength of class, the total strength of the school is 20 times than the, see, first one, students, they given the word keyword. Okay, the total strength, instead of strength you can write students. Okay, the total students of the school is 20 times than the students present in the class. Students present in the class. Can you understand? The total students of school is 20 times more than the students present in the class. Okay, so this kind of we can write the statement. Okay, the next one, here Jagu is Z years old, his uncle is 4Z years old, and his aunt is 4Z minus 3 years old. Okay, so first one, Jagu and Jagu's uncle and aunt, that aunt, Jagu's aunt. Okay, the first one you have to know that what is that Jagu age. So Jagu age is Z years old, I think so. Z, so Jagu is Z years old, and his uncle is, they given 4Z, and his aunt is 4Z minus 3. This is the question. Okay, so how can we write in terms of statement, normal statement? How can we write? So first one we have to write, okay, Jagu's uncle, Jagu's uncle age is 4 times greater than Jagu. 4 times greater than Jagu. And Jagu's aunt age is how much they given? 3 years old, right? That means Jagu's aunt age is 3 year less than his 3 year less than, wait, 3 year less than Jagu's uncle. So Jagu's uncle. Okay, students, so Jagu's uncle age is 4 times greater than the Jagu's aunt age is 3 year less than Jagu's uncle. Okay, so this kind of only we have to write the statement. Okay, so the next question is, in an arrangement of the dots there are R rows, so each row contain 5 dots. Okay, so this is the homework for you. I'll give the homework. Same way, instead of that R, we have to take it as like a normal statement. Okay, in each arrangement of the dots there are R row, so each row contains 5 dots. Okay, so this one you have to write in your homework. Okay, the third problem, given Munnu's age will be X years old, can you guess what X minus 2 may show? So this one also, third problem also, the third problem, A, B, C, both also C, E and third problem. So I'll give as a homework. Okay, so the next concept I'm going to teach, that is what is an equation. Okay, what is an equation? actually I'm writing with my finger, so the handwriting is not good. Okay, anyway, so what is an equation? So first one you have to know, students, in the beginning of that lesson I asked a few questions. For example, for making 1L, how many matchstick is needed? 1, 2. Okay, for making 2L, okay, so for making 2L, how many matchsticks are needed? That is 1, 2, 3, 4. So totally how many matchsticks are needed? 4. Okay, for making 3L, how many matchsticks are needed? So likewise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So 4 matchstick means 8 matchstick will needed. 5 matchstick means what's called 5 letter L, which means 10 matchsticks are needed. So this kind of pattern I said in my first class. Okay, can you remember that? Okay, anyway, so what is an equation? Equation means what? The word equation means equal. Okay, so this expression which is equal to another expression. For example, see here, so A is one expression and B is one expression. It may be with variable or without variable. Same way it also may be with variable or without variable, but anyway, so this is left hand side. Okay, I'll take this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Okay, so they took two expressions and they have to equate it by using the symbol equal, the equal symbol. So A which is equal to B means the expression A, which may be the variable or non-variable, and same way here B, it may be a variable or constant, so whatever it is, but the both expression also same. Equal means we have to represent this kind of symbol equal, so that's called A equal to B. So when this kind of expression they give means, for example 2x plus y equal to 4, this kind of, or 2x equal to 4, that is one equation, right? 2x equal to 4. So one unknown values are present and some known values also present, so that means some variable also present, some constant also present. So this kind of expression is called equation. Okay, so I said that. So here what is that? Just look at that. What's the pattern? For making 1L, for making 1L, 2 letters, 2 matchsticks. For making 2L, so 4 matchsticks are required. Okay, so this kind of pattern we have to know. So now if I'm going to ask question, if I have 10 matchstick, okay, if I have 10 matchstick, how many letter L formed? Okay, so how many letter I can be formed by using that 10 matchstick? Okay, so first one I will write, for example I will solve that problem if I have 10 matchsticks. Okay, so I will take for one matchstick, for one matchstick it will be like a 2, right? So for one letter L which can make 2 matchsticks are required, so that means 2. Okay, so I will write as in terms of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this kind of will go means I will take 2n. Okay, so n means 2n is a pattern, so 2n is the pattern. This one I taught in my first class itself. Okay, so 2n, whereas n equal to 1, 2, 3, so this kind of. Okay, you can consider. So first one you will put totally 10 matchsticks are there. So if I equate for 1, instead of n I will put 1, so 2 into 1, 2, so 2 equal to 10, it is correct? No, this is not equal. Okay, that means 2 is not equal to 10. So next to 1, 2, 2 which is 10. Okay, instead of the 2n pattern you have to put the 1, 2, 3, 4 and check whether it is equal or not. So 2 into 2, 4, so 4 not equal to 10. Next case, 2 into 3, so 2 into 3, 6. Okay, 6 not equal to 10. Next 2 into 4, 2 into 4, 10. Okay, 2 into 4, 8, so 8 is not equal to 10. Next one, 2 into 5, 2 into 5. 2 into 5 means 10, which is equal to 10. Yes, it is equal, right? That means I can make 5 letters, okay, 5 letter L, okay, that I can, by using that 10 matchstick, I can form 5 letter L, because the left hand side also equal and right hand side also equal. So that means is your 5 is the answer. So imagine students, just find the pattern first, okay, and which value if we put means both value, that means left side right side both also equal, that is your correct answer. For example, I will write here 2x equal to 4. Find x. What is the value of x? So here in the left hand side they gave expression with a variable, right hand side they gave expression without variable. So 2x equal to 4. So how sir we can find? First, instead of x you have to put 1. First we have to put 1. So 2 into 1, what is the value? 2. So 2 equal to right hand side 4, so it is not equal. So 2 not equal to 4. So next one, 2 equal to, instead of x you have to put 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So 4, which is equal to 4. So that means in this case that x value will be satisfied at the value of 2. Okay, so the given condition 2x equal to 4 will be satisfied at the value of x equal to 2. Okay students, so this kind of expression is called an equation. Okay, so now I'm going to ask one more question. Okay, here, see here, this is the word x. Okay, while forming the x I required 2 matchstick. While forming 2x I'll form here, I need 4 matchsticks are required. When forming that 3x, so 3x means 6 matchsticks are required. Okay, now I'm having 12 matchstick, totally 12 matchstick. So how many letter I can form? How many letter? That means x, the letter x, how many x letter I can form by using that 12 matchstick. Okay, so 12 matchstick means first you have to know that for first 1x, what is the pattern? So 1x, okay, 1x we need 2 matchsticks. That means 2x means likewise it will go. Okay, 2, 4, 3. So likewise it will go. So I will take the pattern 2n. Now I'm having that 12 matchstick. Okay, so 12 matchstick, that means how many letter we can form? So simply we have to equate it. So 2n equal to 12. Okay, so 2n equal to 12 means we can take, instead of n you can check answer 1, 2, 3. First, instead of n you can put 1. Okay, 2 into 1, 12. So 2 into 1, 2. So 2 is not equal to 12. Okay, so next one, so 2 equal to, instead of 2, 2 into 2, 4. So 4 not equal to 12. Next 2 into 3, 12. So 6, which is not equal to 12. Next one, 2 into 4, 8, which is not equal to 12. Next one, 2 into 5, which is not equal, okay, because 2 into 5, 10, so not equal to 12. Okay, next 2 into 6, so 2 into 6 means 12. So 12, here also 12. So that means equal. So at what value of x will be equal means, so x value should be 6. Okay, so this is your answer. So this kind of only we have to find that. So in which value it will be satisfied, that value is that your exact value. Okay, so anyway, thank you students, I hope you understand. In the next class I will do some problems based on that equation. Okay, so before that you have to know that equation is nothing but when the expression is equate with another expression, that is called equation. Okay, so it may contains variable or not variable, so this is called equation. Okay students, this kind of only we have to do the problem. Okay, this kind of only the expression they gave. So the normal statement into expression and expression into normal statement, how to write, I think you know better manner. Okay, so whenever you're reading the problem, read it twice and then you can analyze that and what is that final thing that you have to write. Okay, so this is the today's end of the session, students. So I hope you all understand. So thank you. In our last class I gave that homework problem. I think you did this homework problem. Anyway, in the upcoming class I will give some more homework problems. Thank you. Stay healthy, be safe.